Query for all keys lost by the M to Tank CNC key cutting machine for free of charge. First of all, click on Keys Lost. This is door lock for Hyundai. Please look for Hyundai. There are numbers on the label of the key. Please input the numbers J1907 into the app. Click Search. The key biddings and all information are appeared. And install the key blank on the clamp depending on the guide picture. If it's ready, click OK. And click Cut. Please finish cutting both sides. Trying to turn the lock. It looks perfect.